I'm here today to talk about my homework. The first E. Please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. E. E. Difficult. Difficult. It not difficult to speak English. It's not difficult to speak English. And everything. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Ah, ah, practice. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Ah, ah, wonderful. Wonderful. My mother is a wonderful teacher. My mother is wonderful teacher. Perfect. Perfect. He speak perfect English. He speak perfect English. Uh, uh, remember, remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. The last uh, uh, together, together. America and Vietnam should always work together. America and Vietnam should always work together. Thank you for your attention.